Okay, we are now here on the HUION website. So, download na natin yung device driver or driver ng pad natin. So, on the homepage of the website, you will automatically see the driver and manual. So, at the lower portion, hanapin nyo lang yung product model. So, you just need to enter the product model dito. And there's another option dito sa baba. We may also specify the model to find the driver unit. So this is drop down. So mamili ka lang kung saan yung model or ano yung model na pad mo. So in my case, this is the model H430P. I'll choose this. And dito, mamili ka rin kung ano yung Windows or ano yung operating system. So it's either it's Windows or Mac OS. So if you're using an Apple or MacBook, so great. Ito yung pipiliin niyo. And of course, dito dalawang pagpipilian. So either device driver or manual. Just double click it and then yes, and please close all painted software before driver setup. Okay, click yes. Wala naman akong naka-open na painting software. So ito yung magiging kasunod. So dito, hindi mo na kailangan baguhin to. That's the default location kung saan niya i-install yung mga installation files. And just click on install. And lalabas. And so, ayan, it's installing now. So hintayin lang natin matapos ito. Okay. So, once that has been done, ito yung lalabas na option. So, click the completing the wizard setup. Okay. So, ayun na. Tingnan na rin. So, it should be on the desktop. Ayun, nakita ko na siya sa desktop natin. So, it has already created a desktop icon. So, just double click it. Okay, so ito na yung interface ng software. So you have the press key, the digital pen, work area, about. So this is the options na pwede natin gamitin sa pag-configure ng ating pad. So bago natin gamitin to, kailangan nakakonect yung drawing pad sa ating laptop or desktop. Okay? So, okay, connected na yung drawing tablet natin or drawing pad natin sa laptop na ito. And, makikita niyo, tignan natin. So, open this digital pen. Okay, so, yan, tignan natin isa-isa yung mga different options niya. So, by the way, this drawing tablet or drawing pad, so hindi lang ito ginagamit para sa pagsusulat or writing in your computer or your screen. So ito din ay ginagamit sa pag-draw. Okay, kung gusto mong mag-drawing and then madi-display yung drawing mo doon sa screen sa monitor ng laptop or desktop, this is the best device that you could ever have. So drawing tablet or drawing pad. So there's a lot of model, or there's a lot of different kind of this tablet in the market. You just need to choose kung ano yung what is suited for you, ano yung mas pinakagusto niyo. Pinili ko ito kasi medyo mura lang siya, so hindi siya masyadong mahal. So, and also it has a very good review. Although mayroong mga ibang bad reviews, but it's fine. So tingnan natin. So, punta tayo dito sa digital pen. So, makikita ninyo. So, this is the mouse right. You can also use this as a mouse. Ayan. Meron siyang mouse right button. And then E active. So, this is the new one. Okay, so, ito naman yung adjuster for the sensitivity ng pen. Okay. So, yan. yan ang naging work area. Ito merong naka-green portion. Then, dyan lang kayo pwede magsulat. But dito hindi na siya ma-detect. So parang lalampas na siya sa pinaka-monitor ninyo. And then this is work area. And work area. About. Okay, so wala na yan. So, basically dito lang kayo mag-a-adjust. So kung gusto niyo adjust yung sensitivity ng pen ninyo, dito lang kayo mag-a-adjust. Ayan. So tignan natin if this is working now. Okay. Tignan natin. So I just apply. Okay. Ayan. So ginagamit ko na ngayon ang pen. And you can see, I'll try to open an MS Paint para makita natin kung gumagana talaga. And I'll try to write. Okay. I'm not using the mouse. And okay, let's try to check kung gumagana after this version of driver. So this is the drawing pad, and then this is the screen. So I opened the Microsoft or MS Paint. So currently I'm ginagamit ko ng mouse. And then I will try to disconnect the mouse. So this is disconnected